YouTube, what is up? How are you doing? And welcome back to the channel. Y'all are now watching I Stay Josh, and I miss y'all so much, man. Today we're gonna do a POV. Short and sweet, man. It's time to take that Z out. Look at that baby behind me. She dirty. We could probably get a little laser wash into, man, but we're gonna take the ZL1 out, do a little POV on these country roads, man, and just have some fun. I know y'all love the POVs. Them videos always go up. But again, in the comments, if there's something you want to see, let me know. Some of those upcoming videos, we got some content with Big O, SRT Lynn, whole bunch of creative YouTubers this weekend in Orlando. So we're going to have some fun, man. Let's jump in the car, like I said. Make sure you like, subscribe. Let's go.
Well, get off your knees, you gotta cry to me. Even if you say oh God, you still might lie to me. Hop on a jet and get gone, they won't fly with me. Think we pulling strings, but I got my guitar with me. Whoa, you ain't shit, yeah, I know how this goes. It's always me, that's why my heart is cold. But I ain't tripping, cause I know I'm chosen. I'm a ball in this bit like the rose. And heart frozen, it can't go boom, 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 boom. Don't know where I'm going, but I'm a zoom, 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 zoom. I can't control it. I'm trying not to lose my cool. Weight on my heart, it makes it hard for it to go boom, 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 boom.
Alright, man, here we go. We got a full tank. We on 67% E85. Ignition, all that stuff look good. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you have them gauges. And I'm gonna let y'all know now, man, if you got a ZL1 or you got a car and you walk up and you see this, back up. You know we legit. Gotta make sure we good. I swear, some of these country roads, ooh, look at the gravity gauge. You can see how much G's I'm pushing. Woo-wee. Gotta make sure we on point back here, y'all, because a zebra could jump out. Y'all know what a zebra is. That's half motherfucking goat. No, it's half zebra, half horse, dummy. Man, these houses out here are gorgeous. All right, let's go. Coast clear. Let's go. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at that gauge. All right, we got traffic. Let me get past this car. We'll be back. Stay on the road, Josh. as hell. Let's see. Ooh-wee. Man, it's so gorgeous out here. Y'all don't understand, bro. It is so gorgeous. I love it in the country. Like cutting up in the city videos, you know what I'm saying, is nice. But it's just so nice out here. Look, they got a sign that said watch out for people on the horse crossing. Like usually in the city it'll be like watch out for monkeys crossing. You know what I'm saying? Up over the, even the little bumps, it make my stomach wiggle. Pause. Like I'm just saying though, it do. All right, this ain't 35 miles an hour. Are we gonna follow them the rules? Nope. We in there. Good. Oh, hold on. I don't know. Oh, damn. It's a dead end. Bruh, come on now. Your boy could have died. Alright, I decided to give y'all some outside shots. So, let's go to that camera real quick.
You know this better day, How about flashing in that red eye? Catch her all, he dead now, Yeah, on my head, I go insane, going crazy about that red. Then I see my partner die, ain't even wanna talk to the fed. Shit, I go dummy, nigga, like he's red wrong. Yeah, I feel my tummy, nigga, with these big funds, crack a lot, don't play by fire. Yeah, I step by guys, yeah, take off in red eye.
You know I do so geeked up, might switch the bin. I got this bad bitch, so these chill know I can't do it, might fuck a friend. I hit the corner, I'm tryna slide, but I told God I never sin. These niggas talking out they top, but we be dropping many men, dropping many men, I'm just come on, bitch, I don't need no silence, I'm designer stepping. Pop out hella smoke, bitch, you can't call the reverend. Put that hot shit on it.
Alright, we back. What y'all think about that little outside, man? Something different. A little something. I don't know who that is on the right hand side, so I laid off that gas quick as hell, boy. Do not pass. Okay. That somebody just looked like it's a little fishing section or something. Shit had me scared. So them boys, little creek down there. I'm not getting stuck out there, but hey. Oak Hill. He looked like he recording or something, Church of Christ. Yeah, I don't know what he doing. Little weird, my boy. Where are we, y'all? Where are we? Okay. Do I want to go left? I guess we're going straight. That feels good as hell. Alright. Again, I'm in the middle of nowhere. I have no clue where I'm at, but something about these long, beautiful roads, right? Like, just nice. also play around. I forgot. Play with that downshift button. It's, woo! Woo-wee. Get that thing a little hit. Can't forget how good it sound, man. We gotta wake them boys up over there. Alright, I need to find somewhere, maybe a stop sign. This should be a little stop sign coming up. I have no clue. No clue where I'm at, for real. We might get lynched when it get dark, boys. Might get, not lynch. We might, you know what I'm saying, take off. Them boys better have a Hellcat. Nah, they ain't even catching me. Alright, let's hit this corner. Look how beautiful it is. Don't worry about that beat. Don't worry, my seatbelt on. That shit just snitching. What's that? Ooh, blueberries and stuff for sale. Okay. Man, it's so sunset. Everything is just so beautiful out here. It makes no sense. Hey, no matter what, I'm telling y'all, there's so many churches in Georgia, it's crazy. Why would you make that house green? Why would you make that house green? Come on, man. Y'all must not have an HOA, because that would not fly. Green ass. Who live there? Dr. Seuss? Nice. I'm gonna pull this way. Cause we heading into someplace I don't know. So let's stop right here. Like I said, man, I love this baby. Ooh. Let me check it out. She sound good. She sounds good, but if y'all can smell that E85, I need to pop the trunk. What's up? Appreciate you. Yeah, he liked the car. You know, always want to check, make sure everything. Green belt. Ooh. MSD wires. Ooh. Fluid looking good. That shit got to be right here. Looking good. All right. I want to make sure nothing burning. Nothing broken. We good to go. That is it.